Welcome to this assignment overview for writing assignment SBW 1.02 Triangle Similarity. If you know how to create similar triangles, then you can determine the width of a river without ever having to cross it. We're going to explain each step taken in the photos and give the value of x. A park ranger's job involves protecting the park and helping its visitors stay safe. Park rangers enforce park rules, reporting lightning strikes and wildfires. They help search and rescue teams. They educate visitors. They maintain trails and campsites, and they keep track of and report current conditions. Those conditions could include snow levels, the presence or absence of mosquitoes, and the width of water crossing. Let's go ahead and look at how to do that now. These pictures in your writing assignment, you see that there is a marking of 50 foot across the river or on the side of the river. What you're going to explain is that a park ranger uses the following indirect method to measure the width of the river. The first thing that we're going to do is measure off the horizontal distance of 50 feet using rocks. So let's just go ahead and put some rocks on here for us. Then we're going to mark the same distance across the other side of the river. So we're just going to mentally translate that right across to the other side. And the way you would write that in your writing assignment is to translate the distance to the other side, marking it at 50 feet. Now, from her left rock, she walks back along an invisible line that joins this rock at the point across the river. And then she's going to do the same here by walking back 10 feet from where she drew this invisible line. She measures the horizontal and vertical distance from this spot to the left rock. We notice here that we now have two similar triangles. She knows two side lengths of the smaller triangle, and she knows one corresponding side length of the larger triangle. The other corresponding side length is still unknown. This is the distance across the river. What is the value for the distance across the river? We can go ahead and set that up with a proportion. So we can say that 50 is to 13. As x is to 10. Now we can cross multiply. We have 50 times 10 is equal to 13x. Fifty times 10 is 500. Equal to 13 times x. $500 divided by 13 gives us the value of x. sentence, you're going to answer, how can the park ranger use this information to determine the distance across the river? What is the distance of the river across the river? Round to the nearest tenths place, please.